Hey, so welcome to the Grand Caverns and welcome to the first room of the cave. Our first room is called the Radish Room. Gets that name from these formations on the ceiling. Today we call these stalactites. But the first explorers thought they looked like radishes. The opposite of a stalactite is a stalagmite on the floor. You can remember a stalagmite because if you're not careful, you might trip on one. When a stalagmite and a stalactite come together, they form a column like you see here. This brown color that you see here is called cave rust or iron oxide. This occurs when the formations start to grow less quickly or stop growing. So yeah, thanks for watching and check us out in the next video. We'll show you another room in the cave. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you.